Good morning everyone, my name is Jennifer Dela Pasion from UMS 11B. So in this video, we're going to tackle about what we discussed about physical science. So before we start, let's define what is physical science. Physical science is the study of the inorganic world. So kapag sinabi natin physical science, pag-aaralan natin dito is mga bagay na walang buhay. Naman natin kung ano ang apat na four main branches of physical science. Sinabing earth science, dito mapag-aaralan natin yung earth's structure, properties, and processes. So, ang earth science daw ay nahahati sa dalawa, geology at meteorology. Kapag sinabing geology, mapag-aaralan dito yung history ng planet natin, which is earth. Meteorology is napag-aaralan dito yung astronomy, weather, and weather forecasting. Sinabi natin chemistry, mapag-aaralan dito is all about matter. Properties of matter, structure of matter, composition of matter. So, next natin is physics. Kapag sinabi namang physics, ito na mamimit natin si force, si energy, si charge, at saka si mass. So, ang last natin is si astronomy. Pag-aaralan natin mga nakikita natin sa kalawakan gamit ang dalawang mata natin or gamit ang instrument na telescope or other instrument. Alamin naman natin kung anong formations of the elements. Ang tawag sa process of the elements formation is nucleosynthesis. May tatlong types of nucleosynthesis. Ito ay ang Big Bang nucleosynthesis, stellar nucleosynthesis, and supernova nucleosynthesis. Turn natin sa formation of the elements, punta tayo sa nuclear reaction. Meron tayong dalawang nuclear reaction. Ito ay ang nuclear fusion at nuclear fission. Kapag sinabi natin nuclear fusion, ito ay ang kukombine o pagkukolide ng dalawang smaller nuclei. Upang mangyari ang nuclear fusion, requires extremely high end pressure. So, kapag sinabi nating fusion, ibig sabihin come together or pagkukombine. So, alamin naman natin kung ano ang nuclear fission. Ang nuclear fission ay yung pag-i-split ng dalawa o higit pang nuclei para makabuo ng mas maliit na nuclei. So, kung sa nuclear fusion ay pagkukombine o pagkukolide, pag sinabing fission, pag-i-split. Transmutation ay changing one element into another element. It is a general term for the changing of chemical element or isotope. Namang synthetic elements, or tinatawag din nating man-made elements, ay ginawa ng mga tao. Atomic number 94 hanggang atomic number 118. Ang atom is the smallest particle. Meron tayong tatlong subatomic particle. Ito ay ang proton, neutron, at electron. Ancient Greeks of atom. Ito, makikilala natin sa Empedocles of Agrigentum. Nabi niya na ang matter ay binubuo ng apat na element. Ito ay ang earth, air, water, and fire. So kapag sinabi naman nating matter, it is anything that occupies space. Aristotle is a philosopher and polymath during the classical period of ancient Greece. Sinuportahan niya ang theory ni Empedocles, pero may dinagdag siyang panglimang element na bumubuo daw sa matter. Ito ay ang ether o aether. Ang aether ay nangangahulugang upper air constitute the stars and sun. Democritus ang nag-introduce ng unang atomic theory. Si Democritus din ay tinawag na father of atomism. Dalton's atomic theory. Elements are made up of small invisible particles called atom. So, ang Dalton's atomic theory, ito na nagsimula yung new era ng pag-aaral sa atom. Sinabi niya na elements are made up of small indivisible particles called atoms. Sinabi rin niya dito sa theory na ito na all atoms of a given element are identical in mass and properties. Sinabi niya rin na compounds are composed of atoms or more than one element. In a chemical reaction, atoms are either created nor destroyed. Yun yung mga nakapaloob sa Dalton's atomic theory. Rutherford atomic theory. Ang nagsagawa naman ng Rutherford atomic theory ay si Ernest Rutherford na estudyante ni J.J. Thomson. Na-discover niya ang another subatomic particles na tinawag na nucleus. So, si Rutherford yung nakadiskubre ng another subatomic particle na tinawag na nucleus. Maliban sa tatlo na subatomic particle, meron pang na-discover si Rutherford na subatomic particle na tinawag namang nucleus. Si Dmitri Mendeleev ang nag-arrange ng elements sa periodic table. Base naman sa atomic mass. Atomic number serves as the identity of an atom. In a neutral atom, the number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. Atomic number daw, ito daw yung nagsiserve as the identity o pagkakakilanlan ng isang atom. Kapag neutral atom naman, ang number of protons daw ay equal sa number of electrons. Sunod natin is atomic mass. The total number of neutrons and protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. So, kailangan natin ipag-add ang number of neutrons at protons para malaman natin kung ano ang atomic mass ng isang element. So, si Henry Gwyn Jeffrey Moseley ang nag-arrange ng periodic table according sa atomic number. Kung si Dmitri Mendeleev ay inarrange niya ito base sa atomic mass, si Henry Gwyn Jeffrey Moseley inarrange niya ito according sa atomic number. Hanggang sa kasalukuyan, ang periodic table ay naka-arrange base sa atomic number. Ang isotopes ay atoms that have the same atomic number but different atomic masses. Charged atom daw ay tinatawag na ions. Meron tayong cation at anion. Ang cation ay positively charged ion at anion naman is negatively charged ion. So, meron tayong 3 types of rays: alpha rays, beta rays, and gamma rays. It has both wave-like and particle-like properties. Visible light is one of the type of electromagnetic radiation which is form of energy that exhibits wave-like behavior as it moves through space. All forms of electromagnetic radiation move at a constant speed, 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Characteristics of wave. Ito ay ang wavelength at frequency. Ang wavelength is the distance between corresponding points on adjacent waves. Ang frequency naman is the number of waves that pass a given point in a specific time. So, light came to be called photons or light quanta. Orbital is the place where the electrons can be found. Si Louis de Broglie naman ay isang French physicist. Erwin Schrödinger is an Austrian physicist. In 1926, he developed a mathematical equation that describes this behavior of electrons. Werner Heisenberg. Si Werner Heisenberg ay isang German physicist. In 1927, he still looked in the possibility that electrons behave both like as wave and particle. So, ang quantum theory, ito ay nag-i-explain ng mathematical description. Ang chemical bond is an electrical attraction between the nuclei and valence electrons of an atom which binds atom together. Valence electron is the number of electron is equal to the main group number. So, para malaman natin yung valence electron ng isang element, kailangan natin malaman kung ano yung main group number ng isang element. So, meron tayong major types of chemical bonding. Ito ay ang ionic bonding, metallic bonding, at covalent bonding. So, kapag sinabi natin ionic bonding, ito yung pag-transfer of valence electron. Always form between metal and non-metal. So, ang nangyayari sa metal ay nag-loss ito ng electrons, while ang non-metal naman ay nag-gain ng electron. Pag sinabi nating metallic bonding, ito ay nagpo-form between two metals. Ang covalent bonding naman ay nangyayari ito between non-metals and non-metals. At nagpo-form ito ng molecules. Gawin natin yung molecules gamit ang Lewis dot structure. Para magawa natin ang Lewis dot structure, kailangan nating malaman kung ano ang main group nito. Dahil dun sa main group natin ibabase kung ilang dot ang ilalagay natin sa paligid ng ating element symbol. Kung ilan ang valence electron, ganoon din karami ang ilalagay nating dot sa paligid ng ating element. So, chemical bonding daw nagawa para maging stable ang isang element. May rule tayo na kailangan tandaan sa chemical bonding. 2 will do, but 8 is great. So,